Which alphabet is this, kids? It's O. O for orange. Today we will learn all the alphabet from A to Z. First, A. A for apple. B. B for bike. C. C for cars. C for cars. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for jungle. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. S for snake. T. T for temple. T for temple. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for egg. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now repeat with me, kids. A. B. B. C. C. D. D. E. E. F. F. Z. Z. H. H. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Thank you.